Alrighty, so I'll just do that. Okay. So if I have decided to not include the boss fight because I'm a bit late to the stream, so I don't have like 5 hours like I would have because I actually have a job, and practically a job. I do DoorDash, so I had to do that for a couple hours around noon because, you know, lunchtime, a lot of people are ordering stuff, yada yada yada. So yeah, I'm a bit late to the stream, but whatevs. I can still make this a single. I can still make this this game a single level and make this insanely hard as possible, and you know what else? I can make it even longer, which is very, very pog. So without further delay, let's get into it. So I want these two things to be way up there, and I also want to extend this way out. Do the exact same thing to this one. I just want the face. I just want the face. UE4, there we go. I just wanted the face. So there we go. Now, and I was thinking of adding more traps. Like maybe a fire pit? Or possibly even a natural disaster trigger, where you couldn't, maybe like a pressure plate that triggers natural disasters, and there's like an entire, like, sea of them. Yeah, that seems pretty good. So firstly, I just want to know exactly where. Oh, would you look at that? I did a first try. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this and move this up a bit. And I'm actually gonna grab these and move it down a little bit. And if you can hear, if you can hear, if you can hear any like lawn mowing or whatever, and that in the backyard, that's just our gardener mowing our lawn. So yeah, I'm just gonna move this down a little bit. Oh my gosh, I failed first. If I'm beginning to repeat... Nope, don't care. Oh my gosh. Ay. Oh my gosh, I actually forgot. I have to record more taunts. Ay. No! Let me jump high. Thank you. Okay. Oh my. Let me jump high. Okay.
Aw, man, you...
Ay. Oh my gosh. Up, I didn't even... I think it's because this part right here. So I think I'm gonna shorten this. And then make this part lower. Just a little bit lower. Okay, Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. There we go. Okay. Okay. Can I just... my... Oh my gosh. I feel like this is possible. I know this is possible, in fact. Okay, lag. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of input jump delay. Okay. Okay. I know this is possible. I've almost done it before. Nope, that was not even close. Oh my gosh! Where was I? I was right at the end here. Okay. I think it's it's definitely possible. Okay. If I'm beginning to... Maybe I should delete this. Maybe I should delete this part. Yeah, I should move that and then move that up there. Yeah. Now it's possible. Now it's possible. I believe. I don't want to hear myself be I don't want to be taunting myself. Okay. Oh my... This also has a bit of luck involved in it too, because you have to basically, like, sometimes when you want to hold it in as far as the spacebar in as much as possible, but it's not guaranteed that you'll go as high as you want to. Like, see, that's definitely not where I wanted to go. And the gun activated. Okay. Okay. This is absolute bullcrap. This is the absolute most bullcrap part I have implemented, and I know it's possible. I know for a fact it's possible. In fact, to make sure of it, I'll move those in just a little bit there. What? I never selected you. There we go, move that in. And do the same for this. Okay, now it's 100% possible. I'm just bad. Well, no. I'm not bad. It's just this game is hard. Very, very, very hard. Okay. Okay, so... Anyways, I'm going to make... a new... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see how this goes. I have an idea. It's just... Oh no. Are you able? Okay, this seems really cruel. This seems so cruel. And the camera needs, and the end needs to be end 2. Okay, that's not. Okay. Oh my gosh. And again, to make a very, very specific spot, you need to go, you're gonna be put right here. So now, oh my freaking lag. Yep. Okay. Okay, didn't even work. Didn't work. It worked a bit too much. Okay. That might be a bit too close. Freaking. Okay, so that is possible. Move that a bit closer. So now, once you are right here. And how far... Okay, so that's actually... Jump button didn't work. Oh! Okay, so that is possible as well. However... Pressure plates. They cause natural disasters that completely destroy the level, and you lose. However, some will be fake. So you have to remember which ones are fake and which ones are real. Spoiler alert, most of them are going to be real. Actor. So... disaster plate. Alrighty. Hello, Addison. I'm glad to see you on the stream. Should you get started on this? No. It's fine. I can find ones on my own. Okay. It's almost done. You should make it so that when the player completes the game, it completely deletes your progress and pretends you didn't even finish it in the first place. I'm not even gonna have, like... I'm not even gonna have a... I'm not even gonna have, like, a save game system. You're not gonna be able to save your game. You can't just quit in the middle of it and it'll save your progress. No, 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 no. You have to complete it in one sitting. So, hello to you too, N64 man. And is it done? Yes, it is done. And I already know it's a freaking idiot, and it doesn't recognize this subfolder as a folder as a subdirectory. So Also, if my voice sounds a lot more clear this stream, it's because I found out something very, very important about microphones. I figured out what polar... What it says, like, polar... microphone... Polar... Polar pattern. That's what it is. Polar pattern. I figured out what polar patterns are, and, yeah, who's calling me? Another... Anyways, I figured out what polar patterns are. So, now, I'm trying to talk into the... So, here, I'll actually show you. So, this is the mic that I'm using. I've kept on trying to talk into the front of it, not the front, the top, whereas the polar pattern, it makes it so it picks up the most sound up here at the front of it. And so I have just been putting my mic like this when I should have been putting it like this. And it's just yeah. And I never even knew what that was. My mic is lagging? What do you mean? Let me turn on... Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's lagging for me. Yeah, it definitely doesn't sound like it's lagging. Yeah, it's not lagging. It must be you. Alrighty. Anyways. It was lagging before. Okay, whatever. Anyways, let's do a disaster plate. Me say the name being disaster plate makes it sound like you know the Disaster Girl meme, that old image of the little girl smiling in front of her house burning down. Yeah, that's what disaster plate makes this sound. Disaster Girl, except she's a plate. Okay, so that's that fixed. Go in here and compile. Oh, when I opened Visual Studio, that makes a lot of sense. That actually does make a lot of sense. It's because Visual Studio uses a lot of disk memory, and so when something uses a lot of disk memory, the stream tends to to like lag a bit. Okay, there it is, disaster plate. I don't know why it keeps oh, it's IntelliSense is updating. Oh, whatever. I'll just hash include components. No, I don't need to hash include anything. It's already included in the thing. So you property edit anywhere. Blueprint read only. Use scene component. Root. You make another you property. Edit anywhere. Blueprint read write. Use static mesh component. Mesh. Or call this plate. Okay, so not begin play. In here. Root to create default sub-object. Use scene component. Text. The root component. Okay, after I'm done coding all of this out, I'm gonna go take my friggin' ADHD medicine. Root component is equal to root. Plate is equal to create default subobject. Use static mesh component. Text. The mesh for the plate. Plate is equal to, wait, no, plate, set up attachment, root. Okay. Build. Have I ever tried Unity? I have tried Unity before, but the UI was really confusing. Like, I couldn't, it was very confusing at first. I might try learning C# and Unity, because, like, I think you get a lot of customization with it. However, that seems like a huge commitment to like, and I don't think it's a very good idea for you to switch between engines. However, it'd be interesting to try it someday. When you hit a disaster, everything just falls on you like an earthquake. Yeah, that was actually an earthquake was one of the ideas I had for it. So, gonna create a blueprint. BP underscore disaster plate traps BPs. What isn't what? Did I not? Maybe try reopening the editor? That was weird. Okay, so actually, this is actually a good time for me to go take my medicine now, so I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. So let's get back to it. So Spike trap, no, I don't want to open that. Yeah, there it is. There's the mesh. Okay, so I want this to be a cube. And I actually want this to be blue, so materials duplicate blue underscore instance. Base color. Here, like that. Just like that. There we go. And I want this size of this to be small. Like that. Okay. So... Okay. So I should... make a... Here, I will look up... actor touched... UE4 as C++. No. No need to check. No, yada yada. Actor line trace, no. Not a save game. Not perception. No, I don't. Here. Add on input touch and what? Simulation. Where's simulation? Here it is. It. Or I'm gonna go up here and do add event called. On component hit. Register component hit. Actually, here. No, that's a blueprint. Register hit component, that's what I want. So, where's the... Okay, so this is what I need to do. Okay, so void touched plate. So then in the CPP, okay, yes. So, wait. Just wait for IntelliSense to update. Hurry it up. Come on, come on. Ready? No, you're not ready. You're not freaking ready. Visual Studio. You're... Look at that. You're still loading. There it is. Wait. On a component. Hit. Is there a add dynamic? Add... What does that mean? What? Add dynamic. This. A disaster plate. Touched plate. There. Cool. So now I will do void. And then I copy and paste all of this. Yeah. So now I can do if other actor. Actually, I'm going to do a include here of the player character. Character.h. Okay, so now game character, player character is equal to get world. Actually, I have to add the hash include ismet gameplay statics.h. Gameplay statics get player character get world, and then that I'm gonna do a pawn. Okay, and then player is equal to cast player character so now if other actor is equal to player then I am going to declare a U function blueprint implementable event void trigger disaster, and then I want to call trigger disaster here. So oh, right, and I forgot. I want to make a property for a boolean here. Cool. We can trigger to true. Default is true. Well, actually, yeah, default is true. So if not, we can trigger return. And actually, if where character is equal to null pointer, return. If player is equal to null pointer, return. All that. Yep. That's good. That's good. Yeah, all that is good. Just thinking how the things that I can do. Actually, I know what to do. I am going to make another uProperty. And make it, I'm gonna make a enum. Actually, is it a how to make a new before C++? Uenum, that's what it's called. Uenum. Okay. Uenum. Enum, disaster type. And all that. Yes. Earthquake. Meta. Display name is equal to Quake. I'm just gonna make an animated an infinity gauntlet snapping, and you just yeah. Meta display name is equal to Thanos snap. And then imagine I make a reference to okay. Yeah, you see that? This is the greatest plan. is equal to Charles. Nuke, of course. Display name equal to nuclear bomb. And I think that is that. Imagine you get on the imagine you get a freaking, you accidentally step on the plate and you just hear, I'm gonna say the N-word. and then right as he says it just cuts to black and it boots you to the beginning of the game. Just gonna call this N-word. Or actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. That's a tiny bit too stupid. That's a teensy bit too stupid. Let's see, what other things should I do? Ooh, meteor. Meta. Display name is equal to meteor. And I think that will be it. And I think that'll be it for the natural disasters. So yeah. Welcome, Righty Guy. Okay, UIR. Let's hear it. That's actually funny. Sure, I'll take that. Oh, and by the way, when it comes to like the actual like voice acting for like Thanos and Charles, it's gonna be me. So I'm gonna be the one saying, "This is the greatest plan," as well as, "I'm sorry, little one." So just get ready for the dumb stuff like that. So now, there we go. Import. I'm also gonna need to make a camera shake. Yeah, I'm gonna need to make a camera shake. Camera shake. Camera shake base. Select earthquake shake. Yeah. What is this? What the frick? This is way different than the camera shake stuff that they had before, but anyways. Yeah, just look at this. This is way different than what I had to use before. So, yeah. So, anyways, that is all done. So now I could build. One failed. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about the U property. Okay. Disaster type. Yeah. Now I build. Okay. So that is the sound over with. It's great. One failed. You cannot use the raw enum name as a type for member variables. Oh right. I gotta use tenum as byte. I forgot that's how you do it. This is nice when I just have to wait until it builds. I just doing that. There's not even a guarantee that it's even gonna build right. It's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. It's gonna get done right about here. Come on, hurry up. What the frick is taking it so long? Why in the world does it? Okay, there it is. Why did it not hot reload? Why did the editor not hot reload? That's weird. That's really weird. That is very weird. Okay, there it is. It's back open. Yeah, there it is. There it is. All of that. The numerator. Alrighty. So now on triggered event trigger disaster, I'm gonna do a get type switch on enum to byte. Yes, switch on integer. So obviously this is an array, so it's going to be 0 1 2 4s. 0 1 2 3 4. There you go. So when it is a type earthquake, going to get player controller. Gonna first get the player controller. Set ignore move input to true. Get player character. Set, oh no, cast to BP side scroller character. Then set can jump to false. And then we're gonna get all of the meshes, get all mesh, what, get all, all actors of class. Well, no. Get all actors. Get all actors of class. Actor. For each loop, get component by class. Static mesh component. Set simulate physics to true. Yeah, that's actually no. I want to do a client play client start camera shake. Quick shake. Delay. Two seconds. Delay. Wait 1 second. Open. Get current level name. Open level. Think. There we go. Boop, boop. So that's the earthquake done. Now I just gotta do the amplitude 10. So 10.5. 5. Or no, I went 0.1. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to, well, firstly, I forgot to add a thing where it first first I need to add I gotta add a thing where it does a move component do. Okay. One. Okay. So excuse me? This is weird. Yes, totally not, Michael. This is C++. This doesn't even
I'm going to meet up with the boss.
Okay, please shut up. Do me a kind and do me a kind. That is a weird thing that I never said. I should probably turn camera like that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Anyways. Why is it working? It's actor hit. Okay. And 3. There we go. Get player controller. Set view target with blend. Well, actually, no. I just have to copy and paste all of that. I just have to, no, I don't want to copy you. There we go. So this will just be called switch 2 and 3. Switch 2 and 2. And instead of end 2, it's going to be end 3. This is all fine and dandy. So I'm actually gonna click on that and set it to end. Okay, I'm gonna need to print. No, not print. UE log temp learning text hit get name dot to string. or it'd be F string get. Okay. This is confusing because I don't really exactly know why in the world. Twidget is not working with me right now. It's not working at all, in fact. There we go. Okay, nice. Okay. What is this? Unable to bind delegate to touched plate. Function might not be marked as a U function. Has to be marked as a U function. I did not know this. I did not know this. I don't know. Okay. There we go. That must have been the issue. That must have been why I wasn't, yeah. You know, are you talking about logos and chat reminded me. I gotta make a logo I gotta make a logo for this, so go to Canva. Log in Google. But I think a game like this really deserves a logo in some sort of dumb font like Comic Sans. Okay. Alrighty, so let's skip to where I already know about this. Okay. Let's see, what font should we do? Do we have Comic Sans in here? Comic Sans. That's close enough. Yeah, that's close enough. Yeah. Can I make this transparent? How to make a background transparent Canva. No, no, no. You know, whatever. I can just do that in like GIMP or something. However, for this, I want to. Yes, underline it. Maybe a shadow? Yeah. Yeah. That. Yeah, I like that. Alrighty, yeah, sure. Let's download it. Game. Logo. PNG, yes. Whatever. Alrighty. So now let's go on to GIMP. Everybody, give it up to you, IR and chat, for this incredible work of art. Oh, that's great. That's funny. Come on, GIMP. Work with me. Is there a dark mode for Canva? There's gotta be a dark mode. No? Nothing? Huh. That's cringe. Imagine not having dark mode on your website. Pretty cringe. Okay. GIMP just froze. That's always epic. Yeah, sorry, I blanked out for a little bit there. Blanked out a little bit. Sometimes I do that so yeah, sometimes I do that. So anyways, fuzzy select, bink, 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 bink. There, and there. That just doesn't look good at all. Or actually, I can use feather and just make it like 10. Yeah. Yeah. export as. There we go, PNG. Gonna go into... Actually gonna export that now, and then go into my content folder, UI, textures, and I'm gonna drag and drop this logo if I can find it. There we go. Well, no, I need to copy and paste it. Copy, paste. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. Import. Exactly how big is this? I'll go on to a image rescaler. Yeah, I'm gonna scale this logo up quite a bit. Photo enhancer online. Image upscaler, that's what it's called. Image upscaler online. Okay. Okay. Report. There we go. Really? Really? There's a watermark? That's just... That is cringe, dude. That is so cringe. And now I gotta go into my freaking... Now I gotta go into my recycle bin and restore this. Yeah, that's the right one. Wait, no, I don't want to compress the image. Okay. Okay. Okay, just go upload image. There we go. I want to increase resolution. Ay. I could have just not made the image 500 by 500, but lazy. That's terrible. That's a terrible job. Terrible job, website. You bad. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to the Canva thing and just change the size, because I just do not have time for this garbage. At a beach. I want resize. Frickin' Canva. It's not letting me change the size. So just going to make a custom size with make it 1000 by 1000. Okay, download. Now it's good. Now I just gotta go back into GIMP and do that entire thing over again. Hurrah! Okay. Selection tools, fuzzy select. Feather. Make this 5. None. Select none. Nice. Nice, there we go. Export as. Personal. Yada yada yada. Yeah, there we go. That is 1000 by 1000. Cool. Copy, paste. Now I go back into here and re-import this. Now it's much bigger. Nice. Okay. Okay. So anyways, I'm actually gonna do I'm gonna close the editor and rebuild this little project just in case it didn't do anything right. And while that is at it, I have to use the restroom. So I will be right back. Okay, piss break has been taken. Okay, so now the build has succeeded. So now I will reopen the project folder and wait for it to be done. Yada yada. Okay. There's. So I can open this back up. Okay. It's not big. I should probably make a U property, edit where blueprint read write T a actor and call this actors to delete, because I think these are the issue. Set all the to cube. No. I set all these to movable. Yeah. Save that real quick. Why I froze. Reggie's spammer. Yes, they're not spamming. They're just sending, these bots are just sending random messages, and honestly, I don't care enough about the messages to deal with them or delete them or anything, because like they're not even like sending any bad links or anything. I don't even, like, they're literally just random letters. They're just random characters, so I just don't really care. Anyways, how did it fail? What pointer? Oh, pointer, right. T-array when using characters is a pointer. Okay. And it's almost done compiling. You thought those were links? No, they're not links. They're literally just random characters. If you can't click on them, then they're not links. So, yeah, anyways, it failed compiling. I don't fail to see why. 46. Oh, it's... Interesting. Just wait for the thing. Come on. Just compile already. It's not even. I didn't even change anything. I didn't even change it much, if anything. Please, just be done. Unreal! Why? Oh, there it is. And I compiled right. And there it is. Actors to delete. And that's going to be box brush 3. Box brush 3. Box brush 2. Box brush 2. And just plain box brush. Okay. So I want this to delete after. For each loop. Actors to delete. Destroy actor. Earthquake. I'm running out of time here. I literally have to release this in like an hour and a half, or at least set it up for release. Oh. How about instead of it causing natural disasters, it instead moved the player all the way back to the beginning. Not to the beginning of the level, just to the beginning of the line of pressure plates. U property, edit anywhere. Blueprint read write. F vector. Player start. So, and I'm actually going to delete the T array here. Unreal hates me. I tried to package a project. It says I need Visual Studio. When 5 minutes ago it opened Visual Studio out of nowhere. Do you have the right Visual Studio version? Because I don't think you have the right version then. Anyways. So I'm just going to delete the type and compile. Yep, same version. What version of Unreal are you using? Because different versions use different versions of Unreal can use different versions of Visual Studio. Okay, compiled, and now it should only, yeah, player start, there it is. Okay. Okay, add timeline, move player. And so get player controller. Set ignore movement to true. Get player character. Cast to BP side scroller character. Play from start. Set can jump to false. Alpha 0, and then three seconds, and then do an auto thing right there. Go. Set gravity. Wait, what is it like a get character movement? Set gravity scale. What's the default gravity scale, I wonder? Default gravity scale is 2. So it would be 0. Update actor location. Lerp. Get actor location. Nope. Get actor location. Get player start. And just copy and paste all of that. Well, except for this. Add reroute node. And set the gravity scale back to 2. So now, if I get an empty actor and call this plates start, copy the paste it here. However, it looks a bit wonky, so I'm just gonna do a sequence node. Delay 3 seconds. Okay. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Maybe higher? Why does it do that? Set enable gravity, no, not mesh. Set enable gravity capsule component. See if that works. Oh, that works even less good. I just don't... Okay. Whatever. I was planning on adding a thing where, like... Okay. U property... Edit anywhere. Blueprint read write. Bool. Triggered. Triggered trap. Actually, not triggered trap. Triggered. To false. Well, actually, I already have something like that. Can trigger. Yeah. Except that's only for like, except if I set this to false and not allow anything others to be triggered while you're getting sent back over here, because it slides you across the ground, then it just would break the whole system, so I'm gonna need to make a whole other boolean. If be triggered, return. And by default, it's false. Yes. Okay, compile. And, yeah. I don't know how the grade system works in the US, but for me, if you're in ninth grade, you are 14 or 15. And pieces like star. Do you live in like Canada? Because or something? Because like, well, no, that wouldn't be 8th grade. That 8th grade would be at like 12 to 13. Oldest would be 14, but most of the time it'd be 8th grade would just be 12 to 13. 9th grade would be youngest would be 13. Oh, okay. Well, then the grade system works similarly in Europe. I just figured that I just remember the grade system. Somewhere saying that like grade system in Europe is a lot different than the US, but I guess like the age gap isn't as different as I thought. But yeah, you'd be here 9th grade would be 13 through 15. Absolute youngest being 13. And it's rare for a 13-year-old to be a freshman in high school. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, there it is. So set triggered to true. Actually, well, firstly, I want to do a get all actors of class disaster plate BP disaster plate for each loop. Set triggered to true. Oh no, it's doing the thing again where I can't see the UI for no reason. Alrighty, gotta reopen the thing. I didn't want Steam open. Alrighty. Okay, cool. Open that back up. Excuse me, Unreal? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So now if I place a bunch of these here, if I activate one, there we go. Just to be sure, I'm going to open that and yeah. Okay. So now for the most evil part, now to design the single most evil part of the entire game, that being the pressure plates. You have to start from here, and go all the way. You have to go all the way over there, all while not triggering specific pressure plates. And just to make it so people just won't be able to watch the replays of these, just be able to watch the VODs of these streams and know exactly which pressure plates are real and which ones are fake, I am going to switch it to the face cam view and set all the things in there. So wait a minute, how far can you jump? Okay. Quite a ways away. So 5 entire plates. Okay, and I am done now. So dang on, don't tell me those send you all the way back. Oh, they absolutely do. You hit one pressure plate. You hit one wrong pressure plate, it's sent all the way back here. And this is all that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, how about I add some insult to injury? Why not? Why not add some insult to injury? I'm gonna add a gun. I'm gonna add a gun over here. And well, firstly, I'm gonna make this all the way over here. Make it, and you put a couple over here. So yeah, there you go. On top of the jump just straight up not working, having a chance of straight up not working, the jump delay, the input delay for the jump being randomized, and basically the jump height is also randomized. The maximum jump height is also randomized. It's gonna be difficult to get past this part, to put it lightly. It's gonna be difficult. Very, very difficult. So, yeah, now that that's over with, let's get to the title screen. So I'm gonna add a user interface, BPW menu, BPW options. So now I'm gonna do a image, the image being the logo. Let's do 500 by 500. No, nope. So I'm gonna add. I'll just make some button. I'll just make some button text like things and graphics and yeah. So I'll make a new file. Come on. Thanks, GIMP, for freezing. What? Wait, you just noticed that the people playground background is the BP grid? Got that. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. You're right. Huh, that's funny. It does look like the background of that. Huh, that's funny. I'm gonna have to reopen GIMP because it froze again. Okay, there we go. It is now open. So just make this 1920 by 1080. And the layer, it's gonna have an alpha channel. Here we go. Text. Start. And we're gonna put this in Comic Sans. Bold. Microsoft Bold. Make this 80. No. Size 300. There we go. And it's gonna be white. Then I'm gonna do a path from text, select from path. And then I'm gonna do grow. There we go. Actually, no, I can't do that. I have to make a new layer. Text line. Nice. Cool. So now I'm gonna export this as a PNG. Start. I'm gonna call it start. Go to the Unreal Projects. Go to Needless Art Game, Content, UI, Textures, Export. And now I'm gonna go back here, change the text from start to options. Wait just a minute, I forgot. I'm such an idiot. I forgot to do this image crop to content. Oh, export to start.png. Yes. I forgot to do that. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so Okay, so now options. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back to here. Path from text. From path, grow. Nice image. Crop to contents. Export as options. Wait, what? No, I wanted to capitalize it. Options. And then do Control Z, text, and then call this exit, and then delete that. Path from text, select from path, paint tools, well, not grow. There we go. Wait, nope, image, crop to selection, export as, exit. And there we go. Coolio, we got 3 little button graphics. You don't feel like this in equality settings? Trust me. Trust me. You have no idea how potato-y a computer can get. It doesn't look complex, but Unreal falls away. Okay, so now button. And the is going to be start. Oh Lord. Oh no. Okay. Holy crap, that could have been bad. Okay. Middle. 5. And I'm just gonna scale that down actually. Zero, 0.
Can you get the groceries? Groceries.
Alright, sorry about that. Put this back in here. What? I made the UI... Wait. I made the UI wrong? How did I make the UI wrong? What do you mean? Okay. Okay. Then pressed is gonna be same image except dark. Okay. And then do the call this start. Add another button. Potential spam call isn't even like, doesn't even say like what state it's from. It just says United States on it. As if I'm not already in the United States. How big is this? 400 by 120. 400 by 120. Okay. Options. Image options. Okay. Options. And then duplicate it now. Sit. Exit. 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 $400. Yep. Okay. 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 Looks good. You know, I should probably... I'm gonna make a back button now. And cut for the menu. Think of it. I have a plugin that allows me to easily make that kind of stuff. So, gonna open up the plugins thing. Auto settings, there it is. Restart now. And then for the thing, it's gonna layer transparency, and then text. back. Make this, did I make a 300? Size 300? Yeah, I made it size 300. No, but even if I didn't make the ones before size 300, it's not that big of a deal if it's wrong. Make this white. And then path from text, select from path, make a new layer. And then grow. Paint tools. There we go. There. Export as. And then go back to the friggin' text folder. And then call this back. There we go. Just, oh, there it is. Okay. Now, open up BPW options and then that. Auto settings, input, some action label. Huh. Actually, I think it's called a spinner? Radio? Horizontal radio select? Spinner. What does this mean? Oh. Internal value of the console to. Okay. Actually what I wanted. This is actually what I wanted. Negative 555 and be labeled no. What? No. I you wait for post pro. You wait for quality settings. Scale reference. Yeah, that's what I wanted. If someone with a lower resolution is going to play the game, something like the title of the main menu will overlap with the play. No, that shouldn't be the case. Like by default. Yeah, that really shouldn't be the case by default because I'm pretty sure Unreal already allows that. I am good at GIMP. Trust me, I'm not that good. I just look up tutorials on how to do things and follow exactly that. Anyways, resolution scale. Anti-aliasing. Okay, so this will be the post-processing quality. So quality 0. Oh, wait a minute. I just do that. 0, 1, 2, 3. I ultra 3. Okay. Autosave, yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna need to add text here, and it'll be text post processing. Text. Plus 10 minus 50. Minus 100. Minus 100. Let's try that again. Yes, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna need to Comic Sans font. I'm gonna need to download the Comic Sans file because I have to in order to be able to use the actual font in Unreal. So open that up. Open that up. Comic Sans Microsoft. Yeah, just do that. Okay. Now import. Yes. So now there's that. Make this Comic Sans. Okay, there it is. Outline settings. Okay. Post-processing. And then next one we'll do is shadow quality. Oh, wait. Shadows. I believe there are 6 major things. No, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 things. So I will pull that there. Negative 70. Negative 100. Negative 130. And 50. Negative 160. There we go. So now that for the shadows. Shut up. Okay, so for the next is gonna be, actually it's gonna be called view. It's gonna be view distance. View distance. Oh, missed the E there. View distance. Nice. And then now so by default, all objects are not distance called desired max draw distance of 0. Here you can see some grass objects desired max draw distance of 1000. So low will be 0.2, medium will be 0.4, medium 2, high will be 0.7, and ultra will be 1. 1.0. Okay. And security, and then this will be anti-aliasing. Uh, 220. And then this will be anti-aliasing. Yeah. For anti-aliasing, 0, 2, 4, 6. First 3 equal adjusting using the console command. So values above 6 have no effect. Okay. So just going to copy and paste that. And so this will be 0, 2, 4, and 6. Okay. And now Copy and paste that and call this shadows. Positive. Copy, paste. And then call this shadows. Plus one. I think that was, no, that was minus 120. Or actually, I can just copy and paste this. So now, the shadows, SG shadow quality. I don't care, NVIDIA. I will download the game ready drivers later. Low settings being 0 and epic being 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Texture quality. Okay, so the resolution will be a slider. And with resolution, left value is going to be 10. Right value is going to be 100. And that will be screen percentage. And where's the yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, that is going to be that, and then this will be texture quality. What the texture quality? Textures. Actually, I'll just call it that. Okay. Texture quality. Negative 160. Nice. Now, SG texture quality. And I believe 2, 3. And then this will be called effects. Shut up, phone. Effects. Ding and ding. Effects. SG effects quality. And now I will add, and now that we have that over with, button. No. Bottom, no. Bottom left. Or not back. Frick! I did the dummy thing. I did the thing again. Did the thing again. I accidentally did. I didn't do crop the selection. Yep. There's that. Hovered. It's gonna be that. And then pressed. It's gonna be that. Okay, now on clicked, and this will just be called back. Remove from parent. Create widget. Menu. Add to viewport. Okay. And then now that remove from parent. Create widget. Options. Add to viewport. I should actually add some background blur. Add the blur strength. So I should do that for the options as well. Background blur, copy, paste that. So now with that clicked. Struct get player controller set mouse set show mouse cursor to true and set input mode UI only. Self Okay. Set or is variable. Set blur strength. Add a timeline. How to use LARP for animation. V4. For animation without timeline. I didn't know easy even existed. I love the name of this custom event. Start fake timeline because I'm using actor component here. That's funny. Okay. Map range clamped. Ease. He's out. Should be in range A. Delay. It's doing the thing again. It's doing the thing again for me, and shut up, phone. Why is this map called titled? Weird. Anyways, gotta close it and reopen it. Bots. SMH in my head. Bots. Alrighty. And it's back. Okay. So now, back to the menu. Set input mode game only. Well, actually, I can just animate all of this in here. So I'm just gonna add a fade out animation. Okay. All right, add all of this. Okay. All right, that's all of it. So then we'll do the render opacity from 1, 0. Color strength. Render opacity. Render opacity 1, 0. Render opacity. Okay, so now it should look like this. Cool. So now play animation. Animation. Target a self. And animation is fade out. Yep. Seems right. I should probably go into the character CPP, like the character files, and make a new U property. U property. Edit anywhere. Loop. Print read write. Rule B is playing. Let's put to false because it's gonna open the. Okay, so now if B is playing is true, then we are going to get the controller to set ignore move input to false. B, it can jump to true. Otherwise, we're gonna do this, except we're gonna make it ignore the move input and disable jumping. Okay. Now I will close this build and reopen it once it's finished. Okay, it's not done yet. So, I'm just gonna, oh, it's almost done, it's almost done. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I will open this back up, and I am just letting you know, once I am done with this, I will end the stream, and I will depends on me. I tried packaging the game earlier this week, and it just wouldn't let me. Or it would let me, but for some reason it said like I couldn't find the player character for some reason, which is just odd. So yeah. Anyways, going to do cast to BP side scroller. Okay, shut up. Not scroller character. Get player character. Set is playing to true. And I do the same in the instance. Begin play. Cast to instance. Get game instance. Set playing. No, set playing. Okay. And then in the little blueprint, begin play. Cast to BP side scroller character. Get player character. Get playing. Set playing. Okay, so now... Okay. Now, exit. Quit game. Alright. Well... I mean, I know you guys never saw any of this, so it's not really that important anyways. But, yeah. This is it for a needlessly hard game. And I'm pretty sure I spelt it right, yep. Yay! So anyways, yeah. This is a pretty cool little experience for me. I really like doing this. And I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more of these in the future, so be sure to be around whenever that happens. So yeah, this was a lot of fun, and I hope to see a lot of you guys raging at my dumb little rage game that I made in like a week and a half. 2 weeks actually. Well, yes, week and a half. 2 weeks really. Yeah. Yeah, and I will also be coming up with a video of just like going over the whole development process and stuff. So yeah, this was a lot of fun, and I will see you guys in the next little game development stuff that I start doing. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.